Yo, what is good, people? It's your boy Cherry Monies. Today is Wednesday, the 18th of October. So this is the only trade that I've taken this week. I'm not going to be available to trade on the Thursday and Friday. There were a few trades in here that did miss me, so there's no point going over those trades because this is just like my live trading journal for me to keep myself accountable for the trades that I did take, and of course for me to improve on as time progresses. Like I mentioned in my prior video, I'm also in the process of going through the ICT mentorship as well, just to learn a few extra things and potentially switch my strategy entirely to that. I don't know, we'll see when we get there. Of course, and like I mentioned, I've also got two EAs that I'm currently using. An update on that for the people that are interested in it. One of my EAs that I'm using has made 10% on a personal account, and my second EA has made also 10%, but that was accumulated over 2 months, so that's a little bit of a lower risk EA that I'm currently using. But less of that, onto price action and what's in front of us. So regarding the charts and our higher time frame on AU, is we're currently bullish. We can see here that price progressed upwards and tapped into our, I believe, our extreme demand zone here as a price. And what these curved lines denote is a transfer of highs and lows. So the reason why we had a transfer over here is because we had price sweep the high, then take the liquidity or inducement below here, and then progress onwards to break, therefore meaning that this high was transferred over to here and this low was transferred over to here, hence the reason why we were looking over here in terms of the zones. So of course, once this zone here breaks, we have a change of character, and then we are going to be bearish on the 15-minute time frame. Now I'm looking at it on the 15-minute time frame. There is definitely reason for price to give us a change of character with the inducement over here or with the liquidity over here. But on the 1 minute time frame, there's also a reason for us to take the trade bullish. So outside of the change of character and the confirmation that we use on the 1 minute time frame, there's also a lovely pool of liquidity up here in terms of our trend line. And again, as we zoom out on the 1 minute time frame, beautiful consolidation, and I guess relative equal highs over here for us to trade as well, and a lot of inefficiency or imbalance above that price level too. So there's definitely reason for us to take the long position. However, that long position didn't play out. But in terms of the trade itself that I did take, we did have a change of character, our inducement, and the reason why I took that particular trade here is now I've incorporated the use of a premium and discount once the inducement is swept, to define what zone I'll be looking for. So when I was back testing and looking over a few of my losses, a lot of the losses, or a few of the losses that I accumulated, were because the pricing was in the premium zone or in discount zone relative to the buy or sell position I was looking at. So the use of this has now reduced, or I guess from the back testing, will reduce future trade losses when selecting them in the right zone. And again, this is something that I picked up or just added to my trading through my current learnings through the ICT content. So regarding this trade, we picked this zone. Price did give us a beautiful reaction with really efficient pricing, no fair value gaps between the candles. Unfortunately, price just came lower, taking this out, and of course just doing what it needs to do. And of course, when I was looking at this again, I was looking relative to what's going on in terms of price, and again there was a fair value gap and reason for price to continue higher, and as you can see, price did what it needed to do and mitigated that, and I guess went into this order block here to then push price back down bearish. But that is price action for today, and of course I'll see you when I see you.